Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be replacing the stock halogen reverse lights to some JDMastar LED lights. They claim to be the brightest on the market, so I'll show you guys some before and afters and basically the process on how to do it. So here's what the halogen bulbs look like through the reverse camera. The main reason why I wanted to change these out is because sometimes these suck and you can't see at night. So I'm going to go swap them out and I will show you the JDMastar LED one. This is up against the garage, and here is the reverse lights on the car. As you can see, they aren't that bright. So installation is pretty simple. You just want to remove this cover right here, and they're held in by these little push pins that are very annoying to get in and out, but it's doable. You want to come back here and you want to remove the one with the green, or at least it's green on my car, and that's disconnected it. So after disconnecting the bulb, you're just going to do a simple twist to the right and it should come out effortlessly. Be careful not to touch the halogen bulb in case you want to use it in the future, because the oils on your hand will actually make it burn out faster. And just reverse all the steps and put it back together. This is the stock halogen bulb, and here is the JDMastar bulb. As you can see, it is much brighter than the halogen bulb, and it looks much cleaner. So here's a backup camera view, and honestly the results speak for himself. It is much brighter, it lights up everything behind you, and honestly I feel like it's much safer. You can see a lot more through the camera. Let's walk outside, and here's it on the garage, and as you can see, it lights up the garage a lot more. It looks a lot cleaner.